How to repost Instagram Reels. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can repost Instagram Reels. Well, if you're confused on how you can repost Instagram Reels, then let me guide it through. First, you want to open up your Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once here, what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you'll find various options, right? Home page, search bar, the plus icon, the Reels icon, and the profile icon. You want to simply head into the Reels section. Now I'll just be showing you here. Now suppose you're just watching a reel, either ways, if you are watching a reel or if you are here on Reels section, what you want to do is on the reel you want to simply tap on the little share icon that you can see at the right hand side, the airplane, paper airplane icon that you can see there. You want to simply tap on it below the comment icon. Once you tap on it at the right hand side, you'll get this option, and then once here what you want to do is you want to select the add to story option. Now unfortunately there is no any repost option on Instagram. You can either add it to your story if you want, you can share it to your threads, you can share it to anywhere else, you can copy link, you can share as SMS or in Messenger or WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook. You can choose any platform, or you can choose to add it to your story anywhere that you want to repost it, and you'll be able to repost it. So this is the only way you can repost Instagram Reels. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.